Well, good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing? This is Miss Kenji with another wonderful art project. Today, we are going to take a journey into other countries. They use masks to celebrate different occasions. So I thought it would be really fun to visit 4 countries and discover what kind of mask they make. I am an artist. We are too. Let's get started. Let's explore masks from other countries. And our learning goal is students will learn about different masks and why they were used by drawing different masks from other countries. Here are some interesting questions you can ask your child or students. I'm sure you're wondering what materials were used to make the masks. They used leather, they would use corn husks, feathers, and they used wood. We will need crayons, colored pencils and markers, your pencil, and 1 piece of white paper. And we are going to fold it in half and then fold it again. Okay, just like that. Our first country we are going to visit is Mexico. And we are going to draw a circle. And then put 2 circles for the eye area and a triangle for the nose. We are going to draw an oval shape that's quite large and a line in the middle, and then draw the teeth inside just like this. We're going to put a V. And in the V, we are going to draw a flower. And then we are going to draw small flowers alongside of the eyes. And then do the other side as well. And they used a lot of flowers because they were celebrating their ancestors who had passed away. Put a triangle and another triangle on the other side. And underneath the teeth, put a U and then a backward C and a C on this side. Now we are going to color in Dia de los Muertos. And I'm just going to color in my flowers orange. I'm going to use green and color in my triangles here and behind the flower. Yellow to color in the mask. I do not want to color in the eyes, the nose, or the mouth. Now we are going to write here Mexican mask celebrating ancestors. And ancestors are our family that has passed away. I'm just going to put a little orange. You don't have to color it very dark, but just go over it just so it's not white. And in Italy, they celebrate Carnival, which is a big party every year. So first we are going to make a heart shape. And in the middle, we are going to put the eyes around and under. Here you're going to draw the nose. So just go up and down and then make a C and a backward C. Just go up and down on this side. And at the top, we're going to make another V. And then we are going to put a half circle on each side, and then we are going to make a mouth. So just go up and down, cross over, and then come down and up. And on this mask, there are lots of feathers. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw a line out and go up and down on one side and up and down on the other side to make your feather. Do one here, up and down, and then one here in the middle, one over here, and they would use different colors to dye them different shades. We're going to color in our masks from Italy, and they are going to be pink because I thought it would look really beautiful if they were nice bright color. And I'm going to use red for the top of my mask up here. I'm just going to color around those little half circles, and I'm just going to color it at the top. I'm not going to use the red at the bottom. And then I'm going to use orange for the bottom of my mask, all the way down here. But not down here, just in this area. Turquoise blue to color in the top. And I think I'll color these little half shapes on the side. For the bottom, I'm going to use brown, and then I'm going to use red for the mouth. And we are going to write celebration in Italy, carnival. They actually say carnival. And then I'm going to take my yellow just to put a little color in the background. Okay, boys and girls, we have our two masks from Mexico and Italy. And now we are going to draw a mask from the Native American culture. A lot of people call them Indians, but they are not from India. They are Native Americans, and they were here first in America. Starts off by making a line that's a little bit curved. And then straight on both sides. And then just like you would make a smiley face come up. And then we are going to make two rectangles on each side. We are going to make a round circle. Notice the circle is quite large. Put another little circle in the middle. So we are going to make the eyebrows. So just come around and on this side. Okay, and right in the middle, we're going to make a V. Come down into another V. And then we're going to make an oval behind the V. And then we're going to make another oval right around the same oval. Then go up and down for the teeth. We're going to make feathers because, as you know, the Native Americans use feathers to decorate their masks as well. And then over here at the rectangle, we're just going to put feather out a few lines, and also on this side. And then right in the middle of the forehead, put a circle. This was a spiritual center that represented deep spiritual guidance. Take our pencil or our marker and go around the mouth, up and down, all the way around. And I'm going to use yellow for the feathers. But like I said before, you can use any color that makes you happy. And then I'm going to use brown because They used wood, and the brown looks like wood. I'm also going to use the brown for the eyebrows. I'm going to use red on the outside of my eyes. For the inside of the eyes, I am going to use black. I'm also going to use black for the inside of the mouth, but not the teeth. Leave the teeth white. Also for the third eye area. And now for the face, I'm going to color orange. But before I do, I'm going to use my turquoise once again and color in this area. And then color in your little up and down areas around the mouth. It's coming along really nicely. I like to keep the color in the face lighter because it doesn't take away from the other colors. And then the mouth, I'm going to use brown. And then we are going to write Native American Rituals Celebration. And rituals mean they would have different types of celebrations to celebrate the boys becoming men, people getting married, and lots of fun experiences with the Native Americans. And color the background just to get rid of the white paper. Just a little bit. Okay, boys and girls, we're on our last masks, and we are going to go and visit West Africa, and we are going to Senegal. And in Senegal, the masks are shaped oval at the bottom and square at the top. Okay? And then behind this area, we're going to make a crown. And then once again, we're going to make the eyes, this time a little bit smaller, not as wide as the Native American. And a long rectangle for the nose. And up here at the forehead, we're going to go up and down. We are going to go down and up, just the opposite. We're going to put 3 circles underneath this eye and 3 circles underneath this eye. And the mouth will be shaped like a diamond. Then put 3 dots on each side. And then take your pencil or whatever you're working with and put some lines at the top of the mask. Okay, and now we're going to color it in. Okay, boys and girls, I went ahead and colored in our mask from Senegal, West Africa, and we are going to write here at the bottom, West Africa, WESTAFRICA dash Senegal, SENEGAL, and this is the celebration of the ancestors. And then go ahead and color the background. That was so exciting. We experienced different masks of different cultures, and we did it together. I hope you had a wonderful time. I hope you learned a lot, and I want you to take good care of yourself. And in the meantime, I am an artist. We are too. Stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.